Let's go, baby! Let's go! I'm back. I'm back. And I bring great tidings. I have returned for a reason. And that reason is GODOT. Because GODOT is... I don't even know how to explain it, man. Like, I've been using Unity for 10 years, maybe? No, longer than that, since I was 13. So yeah, 13 years. So I've been using Unity for a long ass time. And I know a lot about Unity at this point. And so I've never wanted to switch to GODOT, basically. But then I tried it, like last week or something. And I don't ever want to go back, man. GODOT is so goddamn good. Holy shit. He's back, yeah, man. George Smack, good to see you, man. Nidu and Tristan and King Christopher. Everybody's here. Yo, look, real quick, do something for me. I have a game engine for you to look at and tell me about, okay? Sure. Wait, you streaming on Twitch also? Wait, am I? Am I streaming on Twitch also right now? Wait, what the fuck? Hello, Snurk. Will you play Delta Rube Season 5? I will. So I'll be doing a lot of GODOT stuff on stream because I want to make a video. And I don't want to like just film everything. I want to kind of stream everything and make that into a video, kind of. But yeah, am I live on Twitch too right now? Because that's unintentional in any case. I don't think I am. Well, who cares? Who cares? Honestly. Is the music supposed to be playing? What music? Oh, there. Oh, yeah. It's just fading out. Should I turn the music up? Is the music too low? Please make game now. Yeah, sure. Like 5 minutes and the game's complete. Trust. I'm turning the music up. Let me know if it's too loud. Okay. So I'm gonna show you what I've made right now, okay? This is my first project in GODOT, and I'm gonna make this into a video. Because previously I made a ball pit game, alright? Let me show you that ball pit game I made before, in case you haven't seen the video. Let's go to itch.io. Let's see here, and we go to dashboard. Wait, let me show the screen as well. Actually, let me not show this secret stuff right here. There we go. There we go. Oh, it's using the shit cam. Wait, gotta take off the shit cam. There we go. Hell yeah, dude. Just in time for the drop. Okay. So, actually, let me pause the music. Because I spent way too long on the music for this game to not play it, dude. So this... The music isn't playing. Oh, there we go. Thank God. Okay. So this is a game I spent kind of way too long on for a YouTube video. And yeah, it's a ball pit. You collect balls. You can upgrade and stuff. Yeah, it's an incremental game. I'm using cheat codes here. I can't remember the cheat codes. LMG. Control LMG. That just ruins everything. Okay, whatever. We can sell balls and we get money, basically. And then, yeah, we can buy a bunch of upgrades. That's the game. But what I'm trying to make now, in GODOT, is this. Huh? Are you making Hypersphere 2 already? Maybe not, maybe not. Go to Member Pit. Oh yeah, I've already exited. Yeah, I'll check it out later. I see the vision. Yeah, okay, so there's no sounds, so let me turn on the background music again so we don't sit here in awkward silence together and stare at each other. Although we could do that too, if you wanna. I'm partially blind. Okay, dude. Okay, dude. So basically, you click ball, and ball arrives. Yeah, into the bowl it goes. Ball, 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 ball. And I'm gonna make it so you can sell them, which looks stupid right now because you just delete them. And the game runs really well. Like I've optimized it quite a bit, so you can like, you know, spawn a whole bunch of balls, dude. Oh, it's lagging kind of bit. Okay, lagging a little bit. Oh, there we go, there we go. Nice, nice, nice. So you can get to about 3,000 balls without it like totally lagging out on you. I'm streaming right now, and I have a shitty PC, so that's why it's lagging just a little bit. But turn down the music a little bit. Got it. Gotcha. Gotcha. Yeah, that's probably better. That's probably better. You really like games with balls? What can I say, man? I'm a ball connoisseur, dude. And when you delete all the balls now, it's really cool because it deletes one color at a time. So I think it's removing the blue now. It takes a long ass time when there's 3,000 balls on the screen. There we go. Only red and yellow left. It's deleting the yellow ones now, I think. There we go. Only red wants to go. Bald pit game. Oh, I get it. Okay, I get it. That's a funny joke. Funny joke, man. I think I'm gonna... Got any mods in the chat? Can we get a ban on Snurk? Please? Thank you. Alright, there we go. So yeah. That's the vision. That's the game. That's what I'm gonna make. Ball Pit 3D. But this time, you know, I'm not gonna make... Because in the previous game, you could like Suika game, so one ball hits another ball, and then they merge into a bigger ball. No? Okay, some mods we have in the chat, dude. Fascinating, not only the balls, but their wielder too. Like, talking about me? Like, the bald. The bald. I said bald. I can't believe I said bald. God damn, I'm practically flaming myself at this point. Flax engine, real quick. Alright. I'll look up Flax engine. Let me check this shit out. Flax engine. It's a game engine, right? Flax. A true game changer. The most agile game engine is now available. Full source code, full power, fully featured. Okay. Got him. Yeah. I switched to it. Still in development, but looks really promising. Okay. Yeah, I don't wanna look at the games. I wanna look at the tools. Features. Here we go. Seamless C# and C++ scripting. You use both. Okay. Fast and slower. Automatic draw calls, batching and instancing. You can do this in Godot too. You can use C# and C++ and Rust and GDScript. Automatic draw calls, batching and instancing. Automatic, that's like... yeah, I'm not too good with like 3D stuff, so I guess that's like GPU stuff. Like rendering shit on the GPU, I don't know. Async, okay, I don't know. I don't know what any of this is. Visual scripting, GPU light map baking, okay. VFX tools, that's cool, I guess. Localization tools, that's cool. I think Godot also has a localization tool, but I haven't checked it out. It's really good for open world games and really large free roam games. Okay, dude. It's hyper optimized. Alright, I'll check that out, dude. I'll check that out. But yeah, right now I'm kind of just like nerding out about Godot, because Godot is fucking crashing right now. It's actually... There we go, okay, nice. Because Godot is sick as hell, so yeah, don't mind that crash, I suppose. But like the whole thing about putting nodes together into like scenes. I have my bowl right here. My ball's a static body, so it can collide with stuff because it has a collision shape. And here we have the mesh for the ball. But inside the ball we also have another ball that only casts a shadow. Because I basically sat up almost all night trying to figure out how to make a transparent shadow. Which is so... I mean, holy shit. There's so much stupid stuff that go into making like a transparent shadow. So what I ended up doing basically is that instead of like this ball right here, the invisible ball that throws a shadow, the only shadow that it throws is a bunch of dots. If you zoom in here, you can see it. Like it's a bunch of little tiny specks, tiny dots, and then I sort of like mesh them, blend them together, so that you get like a kind of a lighter shadow. Because I wanted the ball to throw a shadow, because if the ball didn't throw a shadow, it would look stupid as hell. So now when we play the game, you can see that when balls fall down and hit the ball, you get like a double shadow. Which is like how glass works in real life, right? Right, guys? I don't know. It just made sense to me, you know? Now I got kind of unsure if glasses have shadows. Yeah, they do, right? Am I stupid? I think I'm stupid. Why optimize if you could just expect player to own NVIDIA GPU and have 500% frame generation enabled? Yeah, everybody's got a 5090 Ti at this point, right? If you installed Light, you could... Oh yeah! Music recommendations allowed. Yeah. Send me music recommendations, you know? I might get DMCA'd, like copyright struck, but I don't care. I don't give a shit, you know? Send music, fuck them, you know? I don't think they'll take down the stream, surely, right? They'll just take down the VOD. Can anyone confirm that? Anyone in chat know anything about that? Surely they won't take down the stream. I don't think they'll take down the stream, whatever. Shadowier shadow, yeah. So that was the goal, a shadowier shadow, and now we have a shadowier shadow, right there. Yeah, I also spent way too long figuring out how to, like, do this button right here. The hardest part was making it zoom out when you hover over it. Because the thing is, if I wanted to make it bigger when you hover over it, then the text would still be as small. And if I made the text bigger, then the box would like expand and it would look like stupid. So what I did was I just expanded the parent of the box. So, little Easter egg, if you hover over it, you can see that it gets kind of like blurry. And that's just because it's, you know, scaled up. So that looks kind of stupid, but no one will notice, surely. So yeah, click balls. And I haven't really figured out the game mechanics of this game. If anyone has any ideas for this game, just write them in chat, you know. They destroy you, smiley. Hey, Spoonsard, how are ya? Loke foreshadowing, yeah. Okay, Christopher is a spy from Google here purely to strike you down if you use copyrighted music. Ah, shit. Uh-oh. But yeah, just send me your song requests if you have any. But yeah, anyone have any ideas for this game? Because I don't really know what I'm gonna do here. I was thinking that maybe if we do like a... If we do a thing where you can collect as many balls as you'd like, but if one of them falls out of the glass, you lose them all, or something. So you have to, like, collect as many as you can, I suppose. And then you can sell them. And then you can get money to get more balls, and like a bigger glass bowl. And they're worth more. And you can buy like a painting for the wall. Oh, what the fuck is going on? Did I make an oopsie? Oh, no, never mind. No one saw that bug, right? Hey. Maybe add a cooldown to how often you can spawn a ball and some upgrades that can reduce the cooldown. Yeah, I like that. I like that. I like that. And we can also... We can also make like a... auto ball spawner, maybe. So you can like fill up the thing. I don't know. I think I want a tube that goes down and like shoots balls really fast, because I think it would be fun if you get to the late game where you have a really big bowl and you can just like spawn. Oh god, I fucked up the game. Okay, there we go. Hey. And you can like spawn, like, imagine seeing this in the late game, you know? That would be satisfying as hell. And it's lagging. Shiny balls, yeah. Maybe I'm so interested in ball games because I am a ball, you know? Every time a ball collide, play a new meme sound effect. Okay, dude. Okay, dude. That would like instantly fucking crash the game, you know? I click this button right here, and like a million sound effects plays immediately. What about like in that trick shot game, where you have to aim to shoot into the bowl, like an automated crosshair that goes left to right? Huh. That's an interesting idea too. Make it so you can flip the table. That's a good one too. Okay, I think we're gonna have to figure out what to do with this. But first things first, we probably need a way to make money, so we need a way to sell balls. So let's just do that first of all. Let's just do that first of all, get that out of the way, and then we can build that after. You can add a plinko, like the other game. Yeah, there's gonna be gambling in this game. Oh hell yeah, dude! I love gambling. I love me some gambling, dude. Make the balls smashable. Maybe that's how you sell the balls. You know, just fucking smash the bowl. Okay, I'm gonna get so confused saying bowl and ball. Ball. Maybe I have to say it in British or something. Like the Hill H 15 in Straftat crashes the game if you spam it which way. What the hell? Really? Add a button in the main menu for rage quitting, which plays an animation of you snapping a game disc in half. Like a late game dating sim? We have to choose between the bowl and the light? Okay, now we're on to something, guys. It'll be an instant hit trust. Okay, dude. We can add some... Wait, is this music loud or is it just me? Why is like every other song like really stupidly loud? Holy hell. Can't hear myself think over here, guys. Okay, there we go. Game name, Baul. All genres have to be in the game. Yeah. Yeah, let's just add every functionality from every game ever into this game, actually. Yeah. The Ball Pit 2, yeah, that's right. Actually, the Ball Pit 3D. See what I did there? Yeah. There we go. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I could sit here watching this all day. It's kind of satisfying seeing these balls. Seeing some balls flop around, dude. Roll around. Add some toon shading to the balls as well, so they look a little cool. If you see, got like a little outline. Got some like hard shading, some backlighting. Pretty cool, dude. Make an alternate mode where you can throw balls at a big ball. Oh my god. Okay, dude. Here we go. Okay. I guess, are we gonna start doing something here? Let's add some UI, okay? We need money. We need money to the game. How many here have used Godot before? And if you haven't, and you have used a game engine, which game engine have you used instead? Because like I thought, I was so sure that Godot wasn't it. I mean I knew that Godot would be good in the future, kinda, but I didn't think it was so good right now. Because it's freaking awesome right now, dude. I don't even know where I'm going here. Scenes? You can't even see what I'm doing right now. It's behind the camera. Okay, let me just find the scene. UI. Here we go. Open the UI. Here's the UI for the game. Ball, FPS, and balls. So, what will be the currency for the game? I guess we'll just do like the money American dollar sign or something. Like so, and then we move that to the right, top right. You have to move it here too. Top right. There we go. That's our money. Let's move it a little bit out of the corner here. And there we go. So now we have 9999 money. Pretty sick. Pretty sick. Halfway there. Halfway there. Here. Wait. Here. Unity and Flex. That's it. Yeah. Oh, and Scratch. Yeah. Godot is peak. Yeah. Godot is peak. Yeah. I need to check out Flex more. That sounded interesting. But yeah, I've used Unity all my life. I have 2 weeks ago I loved Unity. But I didn't realize it was a toxic relationship, you know? I've started using Godot now. And I mean damn. I mean damn. Godot treats me so much better, dude. But let me show you something sick. Actually, let me show you something insane. So I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna create a new sphere. A CSG sphere. Here we go. Here's a sphere, guys. So can I focus this? There we go. Zoom in a little bit. There we go. Turn off the gizmos. So that's a sphere. And what I want to do is make this look like a cartoon. So if you're using Unity, you have to write a complex shader, you know? And that's hard as hell. In my opinion, I hate writing shaders. I think it's super hard and it's frustrating and I go insane every time I do it. So first of all, let's make this a little nicer. Make it a little rounder. There we go, 12, maybe a little better. Maybe like 48 here. Super round, very nice. Then we go here to material, create a new material. Here's how easy it is, dude. All right. Let me show this shit. We go to shading, diffuse mode, tune. Looks ugly, right? Just wait for it. Wait for it. Specular mode, tune. Still looks ugly. Wait for it, dude. Just wait for it. Roughness. Boom. Cartoon eyeball, dude. Let's change the color too. There we go. Cartoon eyeball. And we can make it even better. Even better. Hairy ball's gotta be a skin you can buy for sure, dude. For sure. Wait for it, counter 3. Okay then, okay. The ball is cartoon, yeah, just wait for it, wait for it. Did you count all of those? Refraction. I think that was the wrong one. That was the wrong one. Do not turn on refraction, that's a bad idea. Rim, that's the one. I'm gonna give this little guy a rim job. You see that? It's got a bit of a rim now. Off, on, off, on. Wait for it, dude. It gets better. It gets so much better. Stencil. Outline. See that? Make it a little thicker, a little thick and nice outline. Here we go. Boom. Now that's a cartoon ball if I've ever seen one, dude. If you wanted to do this in Unity, I tried doing this in Unity. I spent so long trying to write a shader, trying to read up on how to do a shader, asking AI for help, doing everything, and I just couldn't get it done. I couldn't get it done, dude. I kind of got it to work, but it looked ugly as hell. When you can't figure something out in an engine, just press everything and it'll probably work out. In Godot, true. In Unity, PC explode. PC explode right there and then. Immediately PC explode. Unreal, fucking city explodes. A whole city explodes. Just ash, you know. Wait, where did King Christopher's comment come from? I can't see it. Maybe I can see every chat message either. I don't know. Is there chat on screen? Yeah, I think there is. Alright, so let's that was just an example. I just wanted to show that because I think it's so freaking sick, dude. So awesome. Oh yeah, and also another thing. I gotta show another thing. This is sick as hell. Sick as hell. There's so many cool like shader things you can do with Godot. Like if I create a new Taurus. Okay, looks pretty ugly. Looks pretty ugly. Boom. Less ugly. Boom, even less ugly. A boom. Super not ugly. You know? Super nice. That's a donut, baby. That's a donut. Inner radius. Oh, okay. What the frickety frick is going on here? Outer radius. Okay. I just want to make it... Oh, that's a thick donut. Yeah. We're doing Blender Guru's donut tutorial already, dude. So, here's a cool... Here's a cool little thing you could do. Standard material in 3D. Go in here. Grow, brother, grow. Turn that shit on. Wait for it. What the fuck? You can literally make it like grow inwards and outwards. And you can do this with every 3D model, I think. I haven't tried it on everything. My PC crashed when I was trying to make an agent in Unity, yeah. Can we take a moment to be amazed how Godot just opens while Unity loads for 17 business days? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for saying that. Because that's, like, one of the greatest things about Godot. And I've said that about, like, 10 things already. But if I, like, make a change to a script, you know, I make I gotta make actually I gotta do this right now, you know, we gotta go to game controller and we gotta add a new variable. We gotta add var and money, player current money, which is gonna be an float. It's gonna be a float, and you start off with 0. Say that, boom, and I can hit play immediately. Immediately. In Unity, you have to load for like 13 years. I'm here! Welcome, the creation of hatred. Loke, thank you for blessing me with another stream after begging. No worries, my brother. I've been wanting to stream for a long time, and I want to make videos. So now I thought, you know, just fuck it. Let's just go, dude. On Linux, Blender loads in 2 seconds. Windows, it loads like 2 minutes. Damn. Yeah, Linux is optimized. Another great thing about Godot is its ting file size. I used to take it to school in a flash drive to make games in class. Yeah, dude. Godot is like so lightweight, dude. So lightweight. You can... I think the whole Godot installation I have on my PC right now is 2 gigabytes, maybe? This project right here, I think is probably like, I don't fucking know, like 50 megabytes. You know, it's insane, dude. I love having 6.7 money. Me too, 6.7. When I started using Linux, my dumbass really wanted to use Hyperland. I don't know what that is. So what's this game about? Yeah, BR Ecord said it best. This game is about ball. So what you gotta do is you gotta click the ball button. As you can see, ball arrives, and ball looks kind of sick, you know. Got a toon shader that I made in like, you know, 2 minutes because Godot is awesome. I would spend 2 years making that in Unity. Unity bad, but I'm also stupid. So there you go, ball come and ball fall out of ball, no. And then you get many ball, a lot of ball everywhere. And then you sell every ball and ball give you money. But right now, ball don't give money. So we gotta make ball give money type shit. Type shit. So now, I guess we're just getting to it. We've added a money float here. So... should we add like a sell button that just like sells every ball? Yeah, let's just do that. Fuck them. Let's do that. Where's the UI? There's the UI. Okay, so we have ball button. We have balls counter. We have money. And we need a sell button. Can you have a 0.1% chance of big ball? Oh yeah, dude. I really want to do that, actually. I really want to do that. Oh my god, I just got a great idea. What if... No, that's a stupid idea. Never mind, I'm stupid. Dumb. Okay, let's continue. Let's add a sell button. We got a button right here. Oh, damn, what a banger. Holy shit. What if at the beginning of the game you have to individually kick balls to sell them and then upgrade to sell more and more balls? That's a good idea, that's a good idea. The problem with that idea is that that's hard to make. And I'm a lazy son of a bitch, you know? Maybe. Any Godot geniuses in chat, you know? Could I just send a raycast out of my mouse and hit a ball and just sell it? Would that work? Would that work, or would that be hard to make? I don't know. Raycasts are scary. I mean, raycasts are cool and all, but when you got a raycast out of a mouse position, that's pretty good, you know? Okay, fuck it. We might do that. But right now, let's just do a sell balls. Oh, and yeah, and also another thing you can upgrade in this game is how many balls you can have, you know? 3,000, you're not gonna have 3,000 at the beginning, you know? That's just because I wanted to test this shit out, you know? Maybe instead of a sell button, it auto sells when a ball hits the floor, and you get extra money multipliers based on how many balls you can fit without it overflowing. Oh my god, you're a genius. Because that's the idea I had earlier when I hit myself in the head. But I thought, oh, but then, you know, nobody wants to upgrade to the big bowl because they just want everything to hit the floor. But that's actually genius. I'm just seeing 1/3 of the comments. I guess I gotta watch the stream instead of actual chat. Oh, what the helly? What the helly? Am I missing any comments? Am I missing any? Just let me know if I do, because I might not pay as well attention. I am John Video Game. You are, surely. Luke, you need hairy balls. I think it's my internet, not you. Okay. Big ups in the chat. Big ups. Yeah, I don't know about hairy balls, because the thing about hairy balls is that, you know, I kind of have a beef with them. I know it might be hard to understand, but hairy balls just kinda aren't my thing, you know? Yeah, no. I immediately forget what I was gonna do. Alright, right. Auto sell balls when they hit the floor. Okay, we'll add a hairy ball to the game. And we'll use NVIDIA hair physics for the hairy balls, you know? Oh, what am I doing right now? Shit. I accidentally started the delete everything routine at the same time as I was spawning everything. That's a bad idea. Make them remove money so people hate them just as much as you do. That's a good idea. You know, that's a fucking good idea right there. Okay, but I guess we gotta make a kill zone then. So whenever a ball hits the table or the floor? What do you think, guys? Or both? At least we gotta make what's it called? A world. That's wrong. Limit. I have no idea how to use this this program. Gosh. Collider. Merry Christmas. Luke, please check me messages. Oh, there you go. Can you add a poster of Hobbit game? And if you click it, you get Happy Ball. Dude, I forgot all about the Hobbit game, man. God damn. Both is good. Both is good. That's why they're rare, yeah. Both is good. Okay. So yeah, any Godot geniuses in chat, feel free to help out. If not, I'm just gonna pull up an AI and I'm gonna be like, yeah, dude, what the fuck am I doing here? Oh, actually, no, we don't need to do that. We can just I know what to do. Let's just do this for now. We'll create a new scene. And we'll add a static body 3D. That's the one. Okay, we're getting the hang of this now. Okay, banger. add child node. And we need a way to collide, and we need a way to render the thing. So we need a cube. No. Square. No. What's it called? Box? That's the one. That's the one. A CSG box 3D in it. There we go. Bake collision shape, and then we got a collider. So it's so weird, because compared to Unity, where you have a game object which has components on it, we basically have a game object and a component is the same thing. It's a node, you know. So you just add stuff like so, you know. And you can't have a script. You can't have 3 scripts on this object right here. You can only have 1. So weird. But it's nice. It works as hell. A remake Hobbit game in Godot. I don't know about that. Hobbit game was so peak. Oh, we need a Hobbit game. Yeah, I don't know about that Hobbit game, man. But yeah, I think just when one hits the floor, once it's the table, you can't really stop it from rolling. Yeah. Alright. Wait, I can't even remember what the idea was. It auto-sells when a ball hits the floor. Right. And you get extra money multipliers based on how many balls you can fit without it overflowing. So basically, more balls in bowl equals more multiplier. To get money, ball has to hit... Okay. That's a good idea. That's a good idea. Okay, we'll do that. Why would you use Visual Studio when Rider exists? I don't know. I have beef with Visual Studio too. I don't like that. I love VS Code. VS Code is great. Visual Studio makes me angry. It sends me into a fit of rage, is what it does. Basically. So we gotta make this box really fucking huge. So if we just go... Wait, can I increase the size of this? Transform, scale, 100. No, it isn't like that. I have to increase the size of these. But if I increase the size of this, then the collider should also... Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Just on one axis, please. Wait, how do I do that? There we go. Unhook that. 100. And 100. GD script, my beloved. GD script is sick as hell, dude. Big ball should be worth 4x multiplier. Yeah, true. Try Rider. JetBrains idea, blow anything else out of water. Okay. Alright. But yeah, GDScript is so sick, dude. It's like the only beef I had with GDScript, and that's a diff, that's a skill diff. I'm so used to C#, where whenever you make something in like a method, you know, a function, in C# you have to have a scope declared, you know, with these motherfuckers. But you know, here you only have those little arrows on the side here. That's the scope. So if you write an if statement, then you know, you got another little scope there, and that's it seems kind of messy at first, you know, when I'm used to C#, but I like it. Let's go back to the scene. Okay. So this should be the floor that deletes everything. What the fuck am I doing? I already have a floor in the game. Am I stupid, guys? Am I stupid? Don't say this shit. We can make a game in a game about game making a game with game script and call the language PP script. got heavy humor over here. Yeah, he knows his way around the joke. He's kind of a student of comedy, this guy. I'm doing my game purely in GDScript. I'll only use GD extensions for C++ only if there's some huge performance issue with the impossible to solve otherwise. Yeah, that's what I've heard too. Like in Godot, you know, just use GDScript. It's easy. It's made to work with the engine, you know. But C# and C++ is there if you need to make stuff like run really fast. Happy Ball should have a smiley face that makes the happy. Really sped up, depending on your money. Yeah, dude. Fuck yeah. 3 years in comedy school wasn't for nothing. Yeah, for sure. Okay, what's the floor? That's the floor, right? This is the floor. Hey! By the way, I made everything really big. Like, I should have made everything really much smaller, but I'm a stupid idiot, so everything's really fucking big. But that's fine. So basically, this is this a static? This is a static body 3D, yeah. So then we can add a script to this, right? That will automatically sell the ball that hits it. Or opposite, do we add a script to the balls? I don't know. Let's just add a script to this one. New script. GODOT script is heavily based on Python, but I believe it's translated to C# and C++ when the game runs. Yeah, I think it's translated down to C#. Or what's it called? Compiled. Okay, floor cell script. Floor cell. Let's just call it floor cell. Fucking good. Welcome. Create. Extend static body 3D. Okay. Signals. No, we have to add the script to the collider, right? Yeah, we do. I think we do. Actually. So if we just like remove this shit. Clear. And floor cell here. Probably the bold with an area that just detects entering bodies and have the ball price on the ball script. Yeah. Even though I wasn't able to play your games, they looked fun. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Wait, which games are you talking about? You're talking about Hobbit game? Or are you talking about the games we released on Steam? Because, yeah, they were pretty fun. I'm really happy with those. Not happy with the Hobbit game though. But that will never see the light of day, luckily. Floor cell, that's the correct script. You know, I feel like I have to do the way to do coding streams, like game dev streams, the only way to do game dev streams is to take a break from game deving every 2 seconds to like say something. That's what I think that's how like Pirate Software, you know, got so big as how he did, you know, despite his questionable integrity and stuff like that. Collision shape 3D. And now, do we have a signal where we can like, hello? We need to figure this out, guys. We need to do a little bit of an AI overview over here. A little bit of a hello. A little bit of a excuse me, Mr. Robot. Can you help me figure this shit out? Cause I don't know the syntax for Godot. Yeah, it doesn't matter that you see my second channel name here. We need... I am making a script for a collider which should detect objects inside a... What's it called? Because they're not regular objects. I had to make them multi-mesh. Yeah, there we go. Inside a multi-mesh. And then run the code. How the fuck do I do collision logic check stuff like that? No, use Claude, not Gemini. Claude Sonnet Funf. I don't know. I don't know the difference. I'm gonna be honest. All I know is that Gemini is kind of an asshole. ChatGPT is a bigger asshole. I can't stand ChatGPT. It's fucking stupid AI. Gemini is a little less stupider, in my opinion. Or my experience, but I don't know. I once saw Thor try to code in Java. He struggled to differentiate type from name of the variable. Yeah. Well, it's gotta be said, Java is a kind of a fucked language, but the problem with Pirate Software... Wait, is this drama? Am I in drama right now? Nobody sent him the clip, right? You know? Me and him, we're kind of at similar levels, you know? But the problem with Pirate Software is that it's not that he's bad at coding. It's that he, you know, he can never be wrong. You know, he's in his mind he's the best at programming. You know, and that's like the thing that makes it so silly. This is straight up silly, dude. If you complete / remake the Hobbit game, the world will be complete. Okay, okay. Fable 5. Oh, anyone looking forward to the new Fable? Holy shit, I'm so hyped for the new Fable. You need an area to detect overlaps in Godot. Okay. Banger. All AI is stupid AI. Indeed. All AI is stupid AI. But it's a lot faster than just like control Fing through documentation and stuff. So they got that going for them. But yeah, an area to detect overlaps. Yeah, I asked the question to Gemini. Let's see what. To do collision detection logic inside a multi-mesh, you have two primary approaches depending on your needs. Physics server approach. I don't think we need best for performance right now. Intersection query approach, best for one-off constant area checks. Yeah. Physics direct space state 3D. Holy moly macaroni, dude. Okay, populating the physics server. Huh? It loops through instances, creates a corresponding collision body in the physics engine and assigns the instance. Yeah, but I already got collision, brother. Have to detect it. Troll was happy to help and it took 3 seconds. Oh. Not saying it's perfect, just has some good uses. Yeah, there's a lot of... some AIs are better than others at some things, I suppose. Okay, inside a raycast reader collision query script. Yeah, but what the fuck is a collision query, dude? I don't understand anything. Okay, check instances in zone. Get the multi-mesh. I'm gonna be real, guys. I don't understand any of this. I think we need to make another node for this collision. Look, you have really bad taste with the picking music to the streams. Well, the thing is, I just play like royalty-free shit, honestly. Royalty-free shit. I love music and I'm a musician. I've got, you've probably seen it. You know, I got a guitar there. I got like a little lute there from the between 1920 and 1940 in Germany. I got a piano in the corner. I got another piano there, another piano there, another guitar there. You know, I love music, but I don't want to get killed by the copyright gods. You know. Anyways, I'm going to bed. It's 12 right now. I'll be leaving you in peace. Good night, Niru. Thanks for dropping by, man. Thanks for dropping by. It's perfect. B1 B B B ba ba ba. Yep, it is. It is perfect. Clean transitions, but brother, thank you, brother. Hey, there we go. Fucking crazy, dude. Fucking crazy. All right, I don't know what the fuck to do about this. Like sitting here learning code is kind of a cringe on stream. So I think that for now, I'm just gonna do what I know. So I'm just gonna have a button to delete every ball and have a little cooldown on it. And we can change that later after I have the chance to learn a little bit more about Godot off stream. Because, you know, I didn't want to start this stream like immediately starting with Godot, like fresh, because I would be lost as hell, dude. I'd be so lost. So I wanted to learn a little bit, and I stream, and then I learn a little bit, and I stream, you know, type shit. So right now we'll go to our UI scene actually, and we'll duplicate our ball. Good luck with the game. Thank you very much, Nidu. Thank you for tuning in, dude. And yeah, sleep tight. Down under. So let's take this and call it sell button. Sell button. And we'll just drag that to the corner, I suppose. Layout, center. Huh? What the hell? No. Bottom right. Nice. And then we drag it up. Make it look a little nice. Oh, I should definitely check like the pixels here to make sure they line up, but I'm not gonna do that, dude. I'm not gonna do that. I may have to leave soon since I broke my desktop on purpose. Well, that's sounds like a good idea. Sounds like a great old time, like a jolly good time. Breaking your PC on purpose. That's nice. Let's see here. All right, so we have a ball button and we have a sell button. So let's change this ball button to say Zell. Where the frick do I do that? Material. Nope. Theme overrides. And then font? No. Font size? Up there. Alright. Cell. Okay. Okay, point size. Okay. Say that. The UI gods have seen the offset in your UI. They will now come and rip your limbs off. Yeah. Oh, I don't think they're lined up perfectly, but you know what? Maybe I'll just never change that. How about that? Just leave it be for the rest of the game. Okay. When I click the cell button, the ball button seems to... That's not right. We need to reference this button animation. There we go. And now... Okay. Brother. There's something in the script. Button juice. Oh! Silly me. Silly me. We need to open the animation and change which button. Right? Right? Do I need to make this unique or some shit? No, I don't think so. Oh! Ooh. Yeah! There we go, dude. It's a simple click ball button and it will sell. Because that's how it works. Oh yeah, baby. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make it so the sell button has a cooldown, you know, or something like that. I don't freaking know. I think we're just gonna kind of make the ball pit game 2D but 3D type shit. Can I just drag this here? Does that work? Did that work? No, did not. Did not. Ba bum 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 bum. Ba ba ba. So let's zoom in here. Then there's gotta be a better way to do this. Wait, what? Rotation. Why is there only one keyframe here? Something fucking weird is going on here, dude. I think... Oh no, press! There we go. Oh, I'm stupid. I'm stupid. There we go, and then we drag this in here. That does not fucking work. That does not freaking work. We can optimize it. Just add money to the counter when the player presses the ball button instead of spawning a ball. Skips the complicated physics. True, brother, true. I'm back. Welcome back, the creation of hatred. Sorry, 1x1, the creation of hatred. Gotta say your full legal name right there. Root node. Clear. What happens if I click this? Assign. Interesting. Very interesting. So yeah, I'm just kind of fucking trying to figure this shit out. Because Godot is... It's hard learning something new, you know? It's kind of hard. Can I just select one of these? I think we're gonna have to make a completely new animation for our gosh darn sell button. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Delete these keyframes. No. Yeah, delete all of this. So this is a bad practice. But I'm bad at game make. So that's what we're gonna do. That's what we're gonna do, dude. And then we can just select this. and add a keyframe to the transform rotation. Boom. Create reset track. Boom. And then we just zoom on in here. I'll just skip a little bit forward and just turn this a little bit. Wow. Did I add a keyframe there? I don't think I did. No, I didn't. Do like that, and then add another key. Okay, there we go. Keyframe. Turn it around again. Boing. Keyframe. And now we just copy these a billion times and we change the values, like, slightly. That's good. So how does it look now? Nice. Good thing it didn't lock at the end. There we go. And then delete that keyframe right there. There we go. After this song, can we listen to Field of Memories by Waterflame? God damn! Love me some Waterflame, dude. That's a Norwegian. Can you imagine? Well, what was it called? Field of Memories. Yeah, fuck 'em. Let's listen to it right now. Field of Memories, Waterflame. I was at a game development event, game developer event in Norway, and Waterflame was there, actually. But I didn't meet, sadly. But a couple of my friends did, which was pretty crazy. Here we go, dude. Okay, dude. A little bit of a jump scare there. There we go. Truly revolutionary animation? Yeah, for sure, dude. For sure. Oh my god, it's so loud. Holy hell. There we go. So, sell button, let's try and continue this little animation here. It looks stupid, it looks so stupid. Let's try and play it. That's a little too intense. Let's delete a couple of these keyframes. Like these or something. And drag that over there. Boom. Because it goes there. And then it should go there. Then it should go there. And then it should go... Oh. There. There we go. And then this one can get a little easier. Nice. That's good, right? Surely that's good. That's pretty nice. Yeah, that's pretty nice, dude. That's pretty damn nice. We'll keep that. There we go. So now it should work when I click the sell button, right? Surely. Nice. Fuck my Chungus life, dude. But now when I click the ball button, the sell button shakes, dude. I'm so stupid. I'm actually just so stupid. Holy shit. I can't be this stupid. It can't. Oh lord. Oh lordy lord. Can we control Z everything, please? Please, can I just control... Yeah, there we go. There we go. Nice, okay. So let's... take from the top. Take from the top. Click the ball button, it shakes. Click sell button, ball button shakes. Nice. Very good. Because sell button should reference this one here. This one should be unique. Is it unique? Fuck it. Let's delete this. Button animation, delete. Boom. Sell button, add animation player. There we go. Drag that below there. Button, sell animation. If there's any song requests or anything, just fucking let me know. If not, I'm gonna keep playing some goddamn royalty-free medleys, dude. Yeah, but yeah, just fucking just type some song requests in the chat if you wanna hear something cool. Okay. Bum bum ba-dum. Bum bum ba-dum. Bum bum ba-dum. Okay, sell button. We need to make an animation for this guy now. New animation. Just like fucking sell. Ooh. Cool song, cool song. Animation Warrior, also by Waterflame. Will do, brother. Animation Warrior. Waterflame. What a flame. In it. There we go. Is this correct? No, this isn't correct. What the hell? I can't find it. I can't find it. Can we add a 0.001% chance of getting a pneumultra microscopic silicovolcanoconiosis every 1 minute, and then you can cough and die and you have to restart completely? That was hard. Yeah, I guess we can. Yeah, for sure, dude. Imagine playing for 30 hours and they just die randomly. Yeah. Oh, it was that was the correct one. That was correct. Okay, let's play it. Let's play it then. There we go. Gang shape. Yeah. Abra. Okay, how the flip do we do this? Now we can select the cell button. The transform, we can add a keyframe here. To the rotation. No, not the fucking position. To the rotation. Create reset tracks. Boom. Here we go. I understand it now. And then we add a little bit of a right here. Nice. And here we add a little bit of a sweep. Very nice. And then here we add a little bit of an arrow. Add that. Cool. Next keyframe. Add a little bit of a zoom. Sweet. And then final keyframe. We just add the first one. There we go. Now it should work, I think. Now, right? Play. GD reference. Joke. Son. What the hell is that? Is that a... Oh. A Google Translate symbol came up when he wrote that message. That's weird. Eek. Cell. And there's no animation. What the fuck is going on, brother? Brother, what the fuck is going on, brother? Let me see here. Script. On press. Animation player stop. Animation player play. Get child 0. This script should lay on this one, right? I am so freaking confused, guys. But it's fine. Let's just continue. Fuck the animation for now. Holy shit, dude. I can't be bothered, dude. And then we could do Flame Wall by, I'm pretty sure, Kamiya. Don't remember though, it's a long song though. Sure, dude. I immediately forgot the name. Flame Wall by Camilla. Flame Wall Camellia. Is this the one? Okay then. Symphonic speed metal. Oh shit, dude. Oh shit. GD reference. What's GD? What's GD, dude? Whenever I think GD, I think GD scripts. So when there's a GD reference, I think GD script reference. Like, this is a reference. You know? Alright. Let's try export variable is sell button pool. I sure hope there's no programmers here, because that will be embarrassing, because this is like not that good of a code, not that good coding. I'm kind of a bad programmer, but you know, shit works like 10% of the time. Oh, Geometry Dash. All right, yeah, I played that. I played that many moons ago, when I was like, fucking like 13 years ago. I played that. It's crazy. Okay, on press. If sell button, then do this, and then we do a little bit of an let's just do a pass here for now, and then else do this. There we go. And then we can do I can't remember my shortcuts here. Multi-mesh controller, remove all balls. That's the one. So we go to button juice. If you sell button, remove all balls. Okay. Pause champ. Let's see if this worked. Let's see if it worked, guys. So ball button spawns balls. Very good, very nice. We in it to win it. Sell button spawns balls. So that didn't work. I know why. Luckily, we just gotta go here and is sell button on. There we go. And then we can save. Boom. We can try again. There you go. Ball button works as intended. Get a lot of balls. Boom. Sell. Whoo! Got him. Can you make the button to slam the ball so some balls fall out? That would be pretty damn sick. Pretty damn sick. There's a lot of stuff I want to do, but there's a lot of stuff that just sounds like really hard right now, because I'm just learning Godot. I'm just a little baby when it comes to Godot. It's crazy, but I'm pretty proud of this so far. And then I guess we gotta add some money to this shit. So, well, first of all, let's make it so that you have max 10 balls at a time. Game controller. That's a cool song, dude. It's a damn cool song. So now we have maximum of 10 balls. Pretty damn sick. And then we sell them. Pretty nice. But I suppose we better add a cooldown to some of these things. And I'm wondering if we just remove the ball button. Just remove that shit. And we make this shit automatic. I think we do that. So the only thing you click on is the sell button. Wait, did I just make... Oh! There's a shadow in there. There's a shadow. Invisible. That's crazy, dude. Make a very small chance for it to spawn a sonic ball from the AI game I made. That would be fucking hilarious, dude. That would be actually... Goddamn, I should make like references to every other game I made here. Well, now that I think about it, almost every other game I've made is... It's just balls all the time. It's always balls, always has been, you know? Okay, fuck it, we're removing the ball button. Ball button, hide. Now we only have a sell button, right? Cool. Okay, I'm liking what I see so far. I'm liking what I see. So we have a ball spawner over here. Now we need to make a funk spawn ball timer. Flame wall, oh yeah. I see we have some Geometry Dash And enthusiast. I was about to say entrepreneur, and then I was about to say enthusiast at the same time. Holy shit. My brain just fucking lagged there, dude. But yeah, I just learned this is in Geometry Dash. I don't think you need a function for this. No, I probably don't. I should probably just put this in physics process. I think you're right. Just get a timer node. What the fuck's a timer node, brother? What the hell is a timer node? I'm gonna beat club step in like a week. I have 50%, bro. That's crazy, dude. Fucking club step. That's actually a song I remember, dude. Holy fuck. Wait. Can I listen to club step on stream, or will I get like banned? Fuck them. Let's just do club step. Let's listen to this shit, dude. Oh, here we fucking got it. Woo! Literally a node you can put in your scene. Copyright blast. Oh yeah. Sorry guys, I just gotta take have a little bit of a snooze. Ah, Nordic drugs. There we go. A little bit of nicotine. Copyright blast. Yeah, that's the one. All right, the timer node. ASMR balls type sheet. That sounds so fucked up. Don't say that shit, dude. Don't say that shit, dude. But yeah, okay. Let me show you. You have trouble, because what I was thinking of doing is just I literally do. Can I like this? Do like a. But yeah, this. Oh wait, get tree, create timer, not timeout type shit. I'm gonna be okay. Let me show you the thing I was thinking about doing, and then you can maybe explain what I should be doing. Because I was gonna go is in timer coroutine bool equals false, and we go to physics process, and we have a func ball timer coroutine or some shit. Oh, and it needs to be a void. There we go. Let's add a pass there now. And if not in is in timer coroutine. If not is in timer coroutine, then ball timer coroutine. And here we add is in timer coroutine equals true, and then equals false. Luke, you gotta play every top 10 demon list songs before he notices. Then just connect the timeout signal to a function. Oh. Yeah, you're pretty smart. Yep. You're pretty smart. Why am I doing all of this fucking nonsense? Yeah, I should try doing what you just told me, because that's the correct way to do it. Even if I could do it like this, it would probably be freaking effing mother effing stupid. So let's just delete this. You're overcomplicating a lot, lol. Yeah, you know, that's how it goes when you learn a thing and you don't learn the easy thing. Okay, which song playing, guys? Guys. Creo Flow. Sure. Creo Flow. Creo with the flow. Damn. I just saw my YouTube channel dashboard, and my YouTube channel is 2 years old, dude. That's fucking crazy, dude. It's over 2 years ago that I released my first video with the fucking box bouncing. You know, whenever I watch that, I haven't watched it in forever. like in a year probably. But whenever I watched that last time, I cringed so hard because I talked like this, and yeah, I didn't, you know, I didn't know what the fucking, I didn't have the YouTuber personality in yet. Couldn't do it. Okay, so you have trouble. What am I doing here? I'm creating. Let me go into the game scene. And we have the ball spawner, which has the ball spawner script, right? Let me add a child node, which is a timer. And this has a wait time. So then we can, first of all, get a reference for it. Var ball spawn timer of type timer. I'm in the particle spawner script. I'm stupid. I haven't even used that script yet. Okay, here, ball spawn timer, and then there's the ball spawn timer. We drag that in there, because then we can on ready no, we can do it inside the function. So we have a ball timer function here. Wait, we can just drag the signal in, can't we? If I go into the timer here, I have no idea what I'm doing here. Timer, signals, timeout. That's the one. Can we drag that in here? Is it that simple? It's not that simple. Connect the signal to a method. Okay, ball spawner. Connect. Hello. Where's the signal? Ah, there we go. On timer. Okay, dude. Okay. You can right-click access unique name on the node you want, and then you can do your node's name to access it. Okay, but I think this works too, right? Loke, remember that time you said you'd do a game in Roblox one time? Yeah, it costs 1 bazillion Robux to upload a game now. Okay, let me figure this out. Actually, I should probably use incognito mode when I'm on stream, right? 1,000 Robux to USD. How much is that? Okay, so it's like 12 US dollars. Okay, well, that's not too bad. It's not too bad, right? I mean, it costs 100 US dollars to upload a game to Steam. Okay, song requests. Any song requests? Programmatic setup is generally preferred, but your way works too. Okay. Well, I'm just gonna test this out. I'm just gonna try this out right now, and we'll see. We'll see. So basically, on timer timeout, we first of all want to update the export. Yeah, give me some song requests if you want. I'm gonna just put some background music on while we wait. Oh. 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 There we go. Adventure! Yippee! Ooh, smooth. Okay. And then we have time between balls of type float. Right, and baseline, let's say 3 seconds. And then we say that timer, ball timer. Wait, what the fuck? Ball spawn timer, that's the timer. Ball spawn timer. I want to reference this. Dot. What's the variable here? Wait time. Dot wait time equals time between balls. We're coding, guys. We're doing it. Oh, that's a sick fucking guitar riff. Merch bow. I don't know what that means. Yo, what's up, Loke? How you been? I just wanted to come and ask how you've been this entire time since I got stuff to do, but I hope you're having fun streaming after a while. Thank you, Stray Cat Mara. I'm having a lot of fun streaming again. I forgot how fun it was, so I'm gonna do it more. And I'm gonna make a video out of this GODOT game I'm making. Which if you got time, I can show you real quick here. Am I gonna get an error because I'm doing programming stuff right now? Maybe. Oh, there we go. Okay, so there's basically balls, and there's balls in the pit, and you sell them, and that's it. That's it. Hello, Mario Odyssey music? Hell yeah. GODOT Kingdom music, isn't it? I think so, yeah. We're glad, Big Man Loke. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Yeah. So no, I've been good. Since last time, I've released 2 games with my company on Steam, and yeah, one game did pretty well. The other game did pretty bad, but that's, you know, we've learned from both of them. So we released Glonk, of course. Many of you have probably seen this. Hey! We just passed 300 reviews. I haven't seen that yet. So yeah, we made Glonk, which is an incremental game. You know, number go up and you make these little guys get bigger and then explode. And then they die. And then you start again and get gold and shit. Pretty cool. And the other game we made is a roguelike called Hypersphere, which is basically like a bullet hell roguelike. So it gets pretty damn crazy. As you can see in the trailer here, yeah, that's a lot of bullets. You have to dodge. Yeah, bullets everywhere. Your bullets, the enemy bullets. You get unlocks and shit. So yeah, there's a leaderboard, online leaderboard, global and for friends. So yeah, but as you can see, 4 user reviews. So this didn't do as well. But we've learned so much from it, dude. So much from it. So our next game will be a lot better, I think. And our next game will be made in GODOT too. That's why I'm learning GODOT now. Merzbau is a harsh noise wall artist. A harsh noise artist. Okay, yeah, I can put on some. Well, if it's too harsh of a noise, you know, I'm a big fan of like really noisy like black metal and shit, but I don't want to play it on stream because not everyone is, you know. But I'll check it out. I'll check it out. Merzbau. Let me have a look at this. Let me have a look at this. Okay. You know, I have a feeling the whole song is gonna be like this. I'm a skip ahead. Yeah, okay. Yeah. You know, it's not for me. that's just, yeah. No, don't. Well, fuck them. I did. I already did. There we go. Back to the old music. How do you guys defend from score spoofers on the leaderboard? Well, I'm glad you asked, my friend, because we have a lot of ways to do that. I was joking, yeah. But yeah, so basically, when you have a global leaderboard, let me go into the game. Let me go into the game real quick so I can show you guys. Hypersphere. Goddamn Hypersphere. So basically, there are a lot of ways to defend your game from cheating. One of the ways we've done that is when you save the game. Let's see here. Here we go. Here's the high score list. Oh, it's taken a while to update. Oh, there we go. Oh wow, there's been some new updates here I haven't seen. Cooper Games from chat. That's crazy. Holy shit. But yeah, so basically, to defend our list from cheaters, the first thing we do is, obviously we have to encrypt the save file. So whenever you open the save file of the game, it's just a bunch of random letters and you can't change anything there. But that actually stops like 99% of cheaters. Like 90% of cheaters just want to do something easily. But there's like a 5% of cheaters, they use like cheat engine and stuff, which is a little harder to defend against. So, you know, keep it a secret, guys, but we haven't really defended our game against that yet. Because our game, you know, didn't do so well, so we didn't want to waste time doing that. But yeah, if you want to defend a game against cheat engine, you basically have to hide every variable on screen in the code. So if you have 3 HP and you gain another HP, so you get 4 HP, you have to hide that somehow, you know? It have to say 3 HP in the screen, but it can't say 3 HP in the code. Because then people with cheat engine can figure out which variable that is, and they can increase it and get infinite HP, for example. Another thing cheaters do is that they send custom packages to the Steam servers with a hacked score. So they basically just write a script that says, okay, send a message to the Steam servers that I got a 1,000,000 score, you know. My friend's trivia-based game got hit with like 100,000 answers just as like 5 minutes. Yeah. Yeah, no, I've researched this thoroughly. I haven't implemented any of it yet, except for the encryption of the save file. So hey, if any of you want to try cheating in Hypersphere, well, don't actually do it. Okay, maybe do it if you want to. Yeah, fuck it, do it. If you want to try cheating in our game, and using a cheat engine to get a 1,000,000 score, I'm all for it. Try it out. Check it out. If you actually manage to do it, I'll be happy. I'll be happy to see how you did it too. So you know, remember to join the Discord and send me how you did it there. Please check my messages, guys. Tell him to see my requests. Oh, sorry. Please check my request. Oh, there's another message. Abandoned ship from Subnautica. Sure, Subnautica music is awesome, dude. Abandoned ship, Subnautica. There we go. Oh yeah, I love this one, dude. Yeah, this one is sick as hell. I've heard it. I haven't played Subnautica. I think I would die if I played Subnautica because I have crazy thalassophobia. Questmaster? Okay, we'll do Questmaster after this. Do it and tell me how you did it. Yeah, for sure. That's the one. Bee Hunter Apoplexy, what the fuck? Okay. Oh yeah, that's another song. Okay, I thought that was a game. Took 10 years, but we got there. Yeah, my bad, G, my bad, G. You know, I'm kind of a scatterbrained individual, kind of a hyper scatterbrained individual. So I don't see every message all the time. I'm afraid. So yeah, just gotta unequip my snooze here. Have a sip of my P-Max. 0 taste, maximum sugar, you know. Alright. Let's do this goddamn timer thing. So we set the time between balls here, so that's good, that's done. And we also need to just hit the spawn ball function. That's it, right? Just spawn ball. And we need to start the timer again. No. It auto starts and it goes infinitely, right? Right? Oh my god. This song is so fucking sick, dude. Now I tried coffee with milk and infinite sugar. You know, I love coffee, but I'm not that fan of, you know, sugar and milk in coffee. I like it black. Black coffee. It auto restarts unless you check one shot. Nice. Okay, what was the next song? What's the next song? Oh yeah. Bee Hunter Apoplexy, was that the one? And after that it's Questmaster. Okay, let's do Bee Hunter Apoplexy. Apoplexy. What the hell is this? So you don't need to set wait time unless you want to change how often it takes. Yeah, that's why I did that, because you know, I want to make an upgrade in the future where you can change how fast you get balls. But I don't want to like make a function that's like, you know, change the timer function. I just add it to the timer so it checks every time. Doesn't take that much processing power. It's whatever. Is this another Geometry Dash reference? Goddamn. We got some fucking Geometry Dashers in the chat tonight. Goddamn. Goddamn. Right, let's see if this timer works. 1, 2, 3, ball. 1, 2, 3, ball, baby! 1, 2, 3, ball! And 1, 2, 3, ball. Now here's the crowning jewel of the question, right? If we hit 10 balls now, will it continue to make balls? Hopefully it won't. 1, 2, 3. And if I sell my balls now... Get it! GG! Game Designer of the Year. Right here, dude. Woo. Absolute ball. Yeah, we balled in. We balled in. I mean, I'm balling, dude. Balling. I've only played 300 hours of Geometry Dash. That's a lot of fucking time on Geometry Dash, dude. God damn! And if I sell my balls now, I don't think you should sell them. What? You can get a lot of money on the black market for selling your balls, dude. But I sacked half of it. Wait. Oh, sucked for half of it. Right. I thought you were making a ball reference, like a ball sack, you know, type shit. Alright, I need to do some chores, I'm not gonna be able to help. We'll check back and see how badly you mess up later. Thank you for stopping by, you have trouble, and good luck with the chores. Thank you, thank you. We should make balls equal score, and then X that on the ball size as a multi for money. Yeah, dude. Fuck yeah. Yeah, I was thinking that. You know, based on how many balls you have in the bowl when you sell, you get a multiplier. So, how should we do that? I think. Oh, whoa! We need a new song. Questmaster. That's the one. Questmaster. Questmaster. Let's put on this one. Cathedral of a Glistening Hope. Oh, I like this one. Okay, dude. Yeah, that's what big ball will do. Yeah, for sure, dude. If sell, then kill ball. True. We got a programmer in the chat, dude. Got a programmer in the chat. Okay, I guess what's left to do is... I mean... I guess we just... Oh, we need to get money when we sell balls. We need to get money. How will we do that? How will we do that? So... Let's add a sort of like... to the game control script. Let's add a... function. Give money. And we have an amount, so amount, which is a float. Let's start with that for now. Oh, this should be a void. I'm not used to that yet. Okay, banger song, dude. Big is awesome. Tell me why my screen, on my screen, that translated to fuck. The hell? I wish I could show you guys. I can't show you guys. Actually, let me... Oh, jump scare! Oh, holy shit! Look at that handsome motherfucker. Holy shit. Okay. That was not what I was going to show you. See this? The little translate symbol? YouTube automatically translated big to fuck. That's messed up, dude. God damn. Alright. So give money, we'll just do current money plus equals amount. Okay. And we need a money multiplier, which is a float. Equals 1 to begin with. Or it could be nothing, right? So then we do var multi, which is a float, equals 1 plus multiplier. Money multiplier. Okay, we need a new song. New song! Will you unpause memberships now that you're back full-time streaming again? Trolle. Well, So here's the awkward part, guys. Let me tell you some awkward stuff. Basically, I haven't been streaming in 10 months. So YouTube was like, damn, your channel hasn't gotten enough views this last 10 months. So, you know what? You don't get to have memberships anymore. You don't get to have donations anymore, you know? I mean, I have a donation link in the fucking description. I think it works, but that's like a Streamlabs thing. But yeah, so what I have to do is basically just make video. So YouTube is like, yeah, you can't be making money unless you make videos, which is fair, you know? It's fucking fair as hell, dude. Dvoinik update, not candy update. I don't know what that means. Put on that macabre island. More Questmaster? Yeah, we can do some more Questmaster too. You should totally do... Okay, yeah, that was the first quest. Intruder, longest solo ever. Okay. Imagine this fucking video is like 2 hours long. Intruder, longest solo ever. It's 3 minutes. Nice. Okay, dude, hell yeah. Get some electronic music up on this B. Alright, so. Oh shit, there's lyrics to this song. What the hell? That's crazy. It's a peak song. Nice, dude. Hell yeah, dude. Hell yeah. Space of Mandela catalog. I don't know what that is. But yeah, fuck yeah, dude. So right, we'll do the multi, that's the multi, and then we do amount times multi. There we go. How are we gonna do this with the multiplier? Okay, let's just do this for now. Let's do this for now, and we need to update the UI as well. So we need to add a new function here. Did I just erase something? No. There we go. And we'll make a func update money text. This is so epic, digital circus, awesome source core theater music. Yeah, dude. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Alright, let's go make this a void, and we get the export var money counter label. There we go. We can go into UI here and we can drag that. Huh? We have the ball counter, we don't have the money counter. Where the fuck's the money counter? The hell? I don't get this. Why is it only... Oh, I have errors, that's why. Never mind, let's do pass here. There we go. Let's get the money counter in there. And the whole of Godot just crashed. There we go. Awesome. Hell yeah, dude. Yes, cool song, dude. Hell yeah. But I think we're gonna do songs without singing from now on too. I forgot to say that because whenever they're singing in a song, and I'm like working and stuff, I get like confused in the brain, you know. But I love the electro sound. I listen to a lot of like synthwave and shit. This reminds me of synthwave. Hell yeah. More Questmaster. Do you have a specific Questmaster? I'm just gonna search Questmaster and find one. Fuck 'em. Cloudy Gates. Let's go. Alright, dude. Alright, dude. Alright. So we have the ball counter, we have the money counter, and we need to update the money text. So money counter dot text equals money sign. That's the one, right? Just the money sign. Yeah, and then the money. Plus string floor game controller dot money. Current money. There you go. And now we need to call this somewhere. I don't know, I haven't really listened to Questmaster, to be honest. I just feel it's kind of your style. Did you ever listen to Deadbolt? I don't think so. No, I don't think so. Maybe. Maybe. I've been in stream for almost 2 hours. Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, I've streamed for almost 2 hours now. That's insane, dude. God damn. I really don't know how long I will be streaming. 9 circles? Sure. Sure. If that's a song or whatever. I don't know. Next song is Put on That Macabre Island. Macabre Island. Okay, so we need to call this somewhere. Update money text. So do we have a reference to the UI? Register UI. Yeah, we do. So we can just do UI controller. There we go. So when we give money, we do UI controller dot update. I can't remember what it's called. Update money text. Money text. There we go. And did I call this from somewhere? No, I didn't. So we need to call that whenever you move a ball as well. So let's just do that here in multi-mesh script. We have all balls. There, let's just call it right here. Game controller dot give money 1 for each ball. That sounds fair, right? Yeah, let's start with that. And also on start, do we have a start in your controller? Yeah, ready. I mean, start. We'll do money update money text. There we go. Keep a separate float value of currently displayed money so you can easily tween it for the money ticking up or down. Oh yeah. Yeah. For sure. Tweening, that's lerping, right? Look at that. Look at all that. I understand nada. Well, me neither, dude. Me neither. But you know, it works. It works. We're getting there, slowly, steadily. And now, balls. Oh, it displays as double. How do I make it not display as double? Okay, sell. 4. Banger. On the mark. On the fucking mark, dude. Okay, what are we putting on now? What are we putting on? Macabre Island. Macabre Island. Are there lyrics in this song? Are the lyrics in Discipline by King Crimson? Because I don't want to put on anything with that where they sing, because then it destroys my brain. Both are instrumental. Okay, okay, fuck them. Let's go Macabre Island first then. Wait, you said something about Divionic update, not Candy update. Actual final update, that sounds right. Epilepsy warning, what the fuck? What the fuck is this game, dude? What the hell? Is this like my Singing Monsters? Is this my Singing Monsters? What the hell? Vocal sounds but no lyrics? Okay, hell did it. But okay, yeah. Okay, for all the new viewers, I want to show you something cool. So, if I remove the limit on how many balls I can spawn, or like increase it to like a lot, so like 3,000, I've added a button to just spawn a lot of balls, and it looks so sick, dude. Take a look at this. Boom. Hey! Fucking insane, dude. I love the fact that that runs so well as it does, you know? And let's be clear here. It dips down to like 30 FPS, but that's because I'm streaming. And I have a really shitty PC, dude. Like a really shitty PC. Just sell everything. Oh my god, I'm fucking up. There we go. Now we're getting a lot of money, dude. But we don't have any multiplier set yet. God damn. If you have this much balls, then you probably have too much testosterone. Yeah, true. Big true. Balls? Hell yeah. Oh, you know I love them balls. You know I love them balls, huh? Like too much testosterone, yeah. I don't think that would be healthy. You know, 3,000 balls for a one soul man. I thought we were doing 9 circles. 9 circles? What's that? Oh yeah. We're getting to that. We're getting to that. This was first. Now we're removing all the balls, all the red balls. When I think about it, King Crimson is probably mega giga copyrighted, so maybe don't put on discipline after all. Oops. Okay, sure. You can also enable physics processing on a separate thread in your project. Yeah, I already have. Already have, brother. Already have. I don't know how the live stream copyright shit works. I don't either. I don't either know. Dude, like well, I know for a fact that when I played, if you guys remember the Deltarune streams, like a year ago, basically, then every single stream, as soon as I ended stream, I got a notification that my stream has been copyrighted by some random artist trying to copyright. No, not some random artist, by Toby Fox himself. So I had to go in and I like challenge the copyright thing, because Toby does it for a good reason, you know. He said it himself that he has to copyright stuff on YouTube so that people don't try to steal his song and make money from it. But he also said that if you just challenge the copyright strike, then it'll get removed, which is nice, which worked. But the problem is that it works. It takes like a week, so there's like a week where you don't, don't get any ad revenue. The video gets shared less because of the copyright strike and shit. So yeah, it's just like kind of a bummer. But so I'm suspecting I'm gonna get a couple of those when I end this stream. But whatever, dude. I can't even get ad revenue now because I haven't streamed for so long. So YouTube is like, don't do that shit. Okay, 9 circles. Here we go. Ah, another Geometry Dash song. I like those. Okay. Now I suppose we have to make like a sort of a multiplier, I suppose. So if you go into our game controller, let's change this to 10. Max balls to 10, and let's just do for every ball we add the multiplier. So let's start at 0 here, and oh, that's wrong, equals 0. Let's just go into our multi-mesh controller, and whenever we remove a ball, we do game controller. This is bad code. No, it's fine. Current money multiplier minus equals 0.1. And whenever we add a ball, where the fuck's the current balls? And GODOT just crashed again. There we go. Nice. It does that sometimes, but I think it's because I'm streaming and I have a shitty PC. So I don't wanna blame GODOT for that. Here it is. So we can do game controller, but current, no, multiplier, money multiplier plus equals 0.1. And then we just do... Let's just add if game controller dot money multiplier is less than 0, game controller dot money multiplier equals 0. Just a little failsafe right there. I'm heading to work. Good luck with your game. When will you come Knieven again? I don't know. I don't know. I didn't realize you were someone I knew. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, no, yeah, no, I don't know. Don't know. Maybe, no, sometime next week. Who knows? Fuck him. Troll. Got him. Why don't you just max multiplier? The fuck does that do? Max 0 multiplier. Oh. Wait. Oh, whatever. Fuck him, dude. I can't be learning this shit. Max function to next 0 instead of if. True. Wait, so I just do like this, max 0 game controller dot money multiplier. Is this it? Returns the maximum of the given numeric values. Oh, so I just do game controller dot money multiplier equals max out of these two, basically. Not setting it to anything now. Yeah, no. Hot question: photorealistic graphics for Godot. Is it viable? Possible, right? But viable. Thoughts? I don't know. Personally, I will never, ever in my entire life do something photorealistic, I think. So I haven't really thought about that, but I honestly think that if you're going for something photorealistic, just use Unreal, straight up. You know, I have beef with Unreal, as I do with Unity right now, but Unreal is just the best when it comes to like pure realistic graphics and the fucking what's it called? The human like skin fucking shit, and yeah. You can do that in one line with minus 0.1, because you're setting it anyway. The fuck? Oh. I have crazy beef with Roblox right now. Yeah, I suppose, but after working with Unreal, I'm good. Yeah. Like, I'm good in like, I'm good at Unreal and I like Unreal, or like, I'm good in fuck Unreal type of shit. I think I know what you mean. You have trouble, you can do equals max 0 game controller dot money multiplier minus 0.1. There you go. Exactly this, yes, nice. I sent a snippet to replace it with YouTube suppressed me. Yeah, YouTube's like, don't be setting no code in chat now. We don't want any commands in chat now. Can we do Darkness in Your Heart? Should be a song for Forsaken, okay? Sure. Are there lyrics on that song? Because I don't want no singing. We'll have no singing in this household. No singing. I'm ducking done and gone. No, nice. Alright. Ducking done and gone? I don't get that. Oh, you're fucking done and gone? From using Unreal? I tried Unreal Engine once. And yeah, I still wake up in a cold sweat sometimes, just, you know, screaming the name Epic Games, you know. And the cool thing about Godot also is fucking Unity comes with this shit where they're trying to steal even more money from developers with like a really fucked way, where they're trying to get money for each download of games you're publishing, which is crazy. And then they go back on that promise, of course, but it creates tension there, right? And then you have Unreal or Epic Games, which is straight up just fired 1,000 employees, dude. Like, immoral motherfuckers. This is crazy, you know? Unreal is... I hate to say it, but it's a good game engine. There's a lot of things I don't like about it, but it's a really good game engine, and they are kind of the future right now for like advanced 3D shit. But it's just so immoral, dude. I don't know. I don't like it, dude. I quit playing Marvel Rivals after they fired all of those employees in the USA, you know. I hate what it did to the game industry. Yeah. I know what you mean. That was the second time Unity tried to pull one over. Yeah, it was. It's scary using Unity. It's scary. And I'm not even kidding. That's one of the biggest reasons our game company, like, why we are trying to learn Godot right now, is because it's scary using a game engine like Unity, where you don't know if they will just try to fuck you over, you know. So I don't want that. But okay, now we have this multiplier thing. You remove multiplier once you remove a ball, and once you add a ball, you get a multiplier. Right? Ball spawner. Where the fuck am I adding? Plus equals 1. Game controller. Current balls. Plus equals... Oh, it's also in my multimesh. Obviously, it's in my multimesh. Money multiplier plus equals 1. Got it. So now... Wait, but I removed them one at a time, so it doesn't fucking matter. I need to do a check. If there's no balls on screen, reset the multiplier. That's what I need to do. There's a C# Godot plugin. Yeah, I know. But I've heard that using GDScript is better, so I tried to learn it, and I realized that GDScript is fucking awesome. Because GDScript is made to work with Godot, you know? So it's... Godot, you know? I shit on Unreal a lot, but most of it is deserved. Yeah. I think so too. I have a love for CryEngine, but that's also a non-user take. I want to try it, but my all-time please let me hit is RE-Engine. What the fuck's RE-Engine? RE-Engine. Oh, it's Capcom's engine. Reach for the Moon engine. But yes, you have to get a job at Capcom to try out that one. And CryEngine, I guess nobody uses that anymore, do they? No, wait, they actually do. What the fuck? Wait, wait, you can use it? Wait, what the fuck? I thought it was a proprietary engine. Like, in-house, only for, you know, the Crysis and co. What the hell? I didn't know you could download CryEngine. What the fuck? Megacrit switched to Godot, and they made it work pretty well with Slay the Spire 2. Yeah. Epic dub. That's an epic dub for Megacrit, dude. I love Megacrit. I love Slay the Spire 2. Modding that game is amazing, even in early access. I can imagine. Yeah. I mean, that's one thing that's nice about Unity too. Like, Unity games are pretty easy to mod. Because you can, like, backwards compile the games pretty easily. He might have forgot, guys. Might have forgot what? Oh yeah! Darkness in your heart. Okay, let's play the Darkness in your heart. Darkness in your heart, Forsaken. Darkness inside your heart by Forsaken Sound Team. Is this from a Roblox game? What the hell? Kingdom Come Deliverance 2 is made in... not Godot, right? It's made in CryEngine. Let me check. Can I just do this so fucking people can see what I'm googling? What the hell happened there? There we go. Kingdom Come Deliverance 2 engine. A heavily modified in-house version of CryEngine, yeah. That's crazy. But I guess most like... Wait, how many people are there? Wait, Kingdom Come Deliverance 2 studio. Which studio is that? Warhorse Studio, thanks Gemini. Warhorse Studios. Employees. 100 in 2019. They had 131. Because I mean, like when you have like this giga project, yeah, 250 in 2024. When you have like these giga projects, dude, you gotta have like a customized engine, you know. Action and consequences. Play action and consequences. Sure, dog. Sure, big man. Sure. Okay, so the multiplier doesn't work now. Wait, what did you call the song? What did you call the song? Action and consequences. Action and consequences. Also a Roblox game, I imagine. Yeah. You know, I kind of forget that, like, Roblox is a game engine where people actually make stuff, you know? I know it sounds weird, but to me, when I was a kid, like, Roblox was just like a game. When I played it, when I was like fucking 12 or 13. Which is 13 or 14 years ago. But it's an actual game engine where you can program and people like make music and art and shit for it. I mean, it's pretty cool. Pretty damn cool. But there are some, you know, genuine problems with Roblox as well, you know. You got all the... I think the CEO of Roblox said some very disturbing shit about... yeah. Maybe let's not talk about that. Yeah, but it's ugh. Yeah, Roblox has some problems. All right. Current balls minis equals 1. Wait, why the fuck am I doing this? Oh, yeah, I'm not gonna do this. So we need to remove all balls, and we need to remove the money multiplier here, and we need to go down here and do outside of the while loop. We need to go outside of the scope, which is here, and we need to do game controller. You forgot to unpin Unity from the taskbar. Well, I can't delete it just yet, you know. We still have games on Steam which we might have to update. Hypersphere and Glonk. Glonk and Hypersphere. And those are in Unity. So we're stuck with... I'm stuck with Unity on my PC for a while at least. Multiplier equals 0. Huh? Oh. I'm breaking the there we go. And there we go. Boom. Now, at the end of this while loop, it says the money multiplier is 0. Okay, there we go. Let's try this out. Let's try this out. After this, play Captain Trotter theme from Blocktails. All right. Blocktails. What's that? Is that a game? Or is that a Roblox? Is that a Roblox game? So now I have 5 balls, which means I should have a 0.5x multiplier. So 10 balls is 10 money, and I have a double multiplier, so it should be 20 money. It's a Roblox game. Nice. Sigh? Why are you sighing, dude? Let's sell everything. Boom. 22? Wait, that doesn't make any fucking sense, does it? Wait, am I stupid? Have I done some wrong math here? Infinite games, but only a few games on Roblox, yeah. I get what you mean. It's like... I can imagine it's a little like... Minecraft mods. You have like... There's like an infinite amount of Minecraft mods. But there's a lot of garbage Minecraft mods too, you know, that just does some stupid shit. Like, you know, fucking remove every grass block or something. So if my code is consistent, I should get 44 now when I sell. And my code isn't consistent. I know what happened. A new ball spawned instantly when I hit sell. That's why. Yeah, okay, that's why. So my code works, my code works. So now I should get less money. Yeah. So if I have 5 balls, I should get 1.5 times 5 is 7.5 or something. So 7. Yeah, there we go. Okay, the code works. Okay, new song. Captain Trotter theme from Blocktails. Captain Trotter theme Blocktails. Here we go, dude. Okay, guitar, dude. Fuck yeah, bro. Literally infinite games with no games, yeah. Most of Roblox is just brain rot trash. Yeah. Now I feel bad that I didn't choose the infinite bacon. that's a crazy pull. That's a crazy pull of a meme, dude. Holy shit. Boom, 20. Okay, the game is starting to look like something now. We have money. We should put a little multiplier symbol over the sell button. Roblox is being slightly good by pushing the brainrot games off their platform algorithm. Okay, that's nice. Like an example of such Blocktails, which is so peak. That's nice. Okay. Because when I think of Roblox games right now, all I think of is like Tung 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 Sahur, dude. And shit like that. That's one game compared to millions of games? Yeah. But all I've seen is like fucking... It's like a big ass Tung 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 Sahur, and you have to like dodge him. And then fucking, you know... Bombardilo, Crocodilo comes running in, dude. Fucking crazy. It's insane. Wait. Okay. Boop. I should make like a pipe or something that the balls come out of. What do you think, guys? A little ball pipe? Yeah, I like the ball pipe. So, yeah, fuck it, let's add a ball pipe. Fuck 'em, I want to do something else. Let's go into the game. And the entire game just crashed. For like 5 seconds and it's back. Boomba. Boomba, 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 boomba. Don't disrespect my guy Triple T. Brother. The Triple T in the building, dude. Tung 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 Sahur, that's the Triple T, dude. Fucking hell. I don't know any other brain rots. Oh yeah, actually I do. You have the... Ballerina Cappuccina. Man, I'm getting... That's crazy. You know, I say I'm too old to remember all the brain rot shit, but I am in fact too old to be knowing anything about it at all. So, kind of embarrassing. Kind of embarrassing. Kind of embarrassing. So let's add a little pipe here. Let's go into our little hierarchy here. Add child node and cylinder. Boomba. Make this one huge. 10. Bigger. 30. That's good. 40. 35. 35 is pretty good. And then we can just drag that up here. And where's the spawn point? Ball spawner is right here. I think. That seems right. Yeah, that seems right. ball spawner right there. So we should spawn inside of them, so it looks like they come out of the pipe. And we can make this look a little more pretty too. Okay, any song requests? Any song requests? Yo. They sell brain rot collection cards at Normal. Are you fucking for real right now? Brain rot collection cards. Wait, let me check something here. Let me check something. Brain rot trading card game. Brain rot trading card game. Italian brain rot. Is there any fucking like rare card? Okay, that was a crazy YouTube short too. I just pulled the craziest brain rot card in the game. The golden laminated Tung 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 Sahur. There's an Italian brain. First edition Italian brain rot chaos ultra rare. Oh my fucking god. Boys, here's some fucking rare cards, dude. $35, $36 for the Lamin card first edition Italian brain rot chaos ultra rare X2 151/162 and 157/162, dude. Whew. I got patapim. Oh, that's insane, dude. Good Roblox games you can try include Block Tales, as stated. Also Demo 5 released a bit ago. Forsaken, a sim with good music, slightly survivor-sided. Dandy's World, Infinite Floor Survival gets boring. Okay. Nullscapes, great game. Okay, play Sinking Sahur. Add a random free. Did you just do T cubed Sahur behind the camera? Okay, fucking hell, dude. Chat is brain rotting right now. Read my message? Which message? The Good Roblox Games one? Like a model for Sketchroom or something. I was playing with Nullscapes like a few minutes ago. Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. Let's check it out. Let's see. Let's go to Sketchfab. Let's see if there are any. Let's see. Search Tung. Oh no, dude. Not AI. That's good. Am I really adding this to my game just because someone said so in chat? It's not even an expensive model, you know? Fuck them, okay? Let's just add this to the game. Fuck them, dude. Why not? Download 3D model. I have to log in. That's cringe. Okay, just give me a second here, guys. What the fuck do I come back to? Don't even trip, homie. Don't even trip, dog. Don't even trip. And am I really gonna defile this grave for money? Of course I am, yet. Bring up the Notes app right now. You know, I don't dare opening the Notes app. Opening the Notes app, that's inviting the entire chat to brain rot like crazy, dude. So just wait a second while I download this 3D model. I have to log into Sketchfab first. just wait while I log into Sketchfab to download Tung Sahur. Why is this song so loud? God damn. Tung Sahur. Download. FBX. Only 9 megabytes, guys. Only 9 megabytes. Okay, let's go into our 3D models folder, create a new folder, Triple T. And let's drag all of this into the Triple T folder. I'm defiling this project right now. It was so good, it was so perfect. There was nothing wrong with it, and now... Brother. Oh, brother. I was going for 10 minutes while you're adding brain rot shit. Listen, dog. I don't know, man. I don't know, man. Maybe I'm losing it. I didn't sleep well. Didn't sleep well tonight, you know. First stream in 10 months. I'm easily influenced. Let's say that. Sahur.fbx is it called? Is what it's called. Let's just drag that in here. Homie is looking a little small. We're looking a little small over there. Gonna have to go ahead and scale that motherfucker. Oh my god! Re-evaluating my life now, as we speak. He can sit in the corner and be menacing. No! He can stand behind the light. He's like the cameraman. He's like, give me the balls right now, you motherfucker. You motherfucker. Give me the light. Give me the balls. I need the balls. Okay. Moment of truth. Does he have an animation like already imported? I hope so. God, I hope so. It's so many errors here. Wait, what the fuck? Clear? Fuck them. If I can't see the errors, they're not there. Okay. Sahur. Play. Get ready for cinema, guys. Get ready for fucking cinema, guys. Holy fucking shit, dude. Brother almighty. Holy fuck. Thank God my FBX AI character model is not made with AI. Yep. True, brother. I'm really gonna waste my PC space for Tung 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 Sahur and put it in my game just because a viewer said so? Of course I am. Of course I am, dude. I mean, it was only 9 megabytes. It's crazy. What an insane... Can we just appreciate how insanely well optimized this model is? It's a game-ready model. You know, he knew that people want to add Tung 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 Sahur to their game, so here we fucking go, dude. What is happening? Don't even trip, dog. Don't even trip, dog. Just leave him slightly out of bounds and make him face into the room at random intervals. You know, I was thinking, right? When this camera, like, turns around like this, he has, like, a 10% chance of just suddenly being there. And when the cameras turn around again, it's not there anymore. You know? That's what we gotta add. That's what we gotta add. What the f- Your team, what the fuck is he adding to the game? Yeah. And luckily, this is just a solo project. Put in a mix demo for a quick animation? True. Put in Big Ball Hobbit game boosted with Happy Ball and the long word. For sure, dude. Yeah. I'll get on that. What, missing 8 seconds of sleep does the man? Yeah. Oh, listen, guys. Like, last night, I fucking... I was like... Yeah, I was really tired, so I was like, oh, man. I just gotta lay down for a bit, you know, and keep my brain working. I was just, like, browsing my phone. And then I was like, okay, I'm too tired. The clock was, like, 8. Gotta take, like, a half-an-hour nap. Banger song. Holy shit. So I gotta take, like, a half-an-hour nap. And then I woke up, like, 4 hours later. Couldn't sleep all night, and yeah, been up since then. So yeah, I'm kind of hence the Tung 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 Sahur, you know. Make it invisible and only let his shadow. Bro, wait, let me try that real quick. Wait, that's not even that hard, dude. That's not even that hard, dog. Wait, let me try. Only Tung 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 Sahur shadow. Let's turn him this way. That long ass shadow on the wall, and then we go to his... How the fuck do I access his material? Okay, let me figure this out, because we gotta do this. That's so funny, dude. Open in editor. Open anyway. Animation player. Oh. Can I make this like play? He has an animation, doesn't he? Manage animations. Dun 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 dun. That's the idle animation. Oh, that's a nice idle animation, dog. Now, how the fuck do I make this autoplay? And loop. Going, going, going. Any Godoters in chat know how to do that? Anyways, let's do the shadow first. So we have the material here, the mesh. And then there's the material, baby. And now we can go to... Oh, actually we can go to his geometry. And just make him invisible. There we go. Request this file format unknown FBX. I don't know what that means, but I'm sure it works. It didn't work. What the fuck? Why can't I change an FBX? What the fuck? Go and mix them and get an animation? Yeah. If only I knew how to import animations into Godot. Make him hit the light. Yeah, that's funny, dude. It's the same horizontal line as the previous next... Oh, that's the one. Play animation from start. Nice. But it doesn't loop. Wait, no. Oops. Outplay on load. Boomba. But I can't save it. Why can't I save the shit? Make him hit you with the bat and close the game as an anti-cheat. That's insane, dude. That's insane behavior. Tung, tung, tung. Can't save. I guess we gotta Google, guys. Gotta Google. We gotta be like... Godot can't save FBX. Okay, I guess I gotta... Don't save this one. Go into the game, get the Sahur. Open an editor, new inherited. Does that work? Perhaps. Autoplay. Save. And then we save it as a scene. Scenes. Just call him Sahur. Save. Boomba. And now we can make it invisible, so he's only a shadow. So let's go down here. Transparency. Fully on. Wait, look at his fucking eyes when I do that. But that's creepy as hell. Look at his eyes now. Let me... Pay attention to his eyes. Ah! 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 That's fucking crazy, dude. He looks more menacing that way. Let's do that. Like a little bit shaded. And then we gotta delete this little Sahur fella. And we gotta import Sahur zine. Is he like really fucking small now? I think so. Wait, where is he? Oh, he's there. He's just like barely visible. Let's make him a little bigger. 200. That's good. Move him over here in the corner. Ah, even bigger actually. 400. 350. Look up how to import animations into Godot so we can do it. Yeah. Okay, I hope his animation plays now. Oh my god, there's a menacing Tung 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 Sahur shadow in the corner. What the fuck am I doing, guys? What am I doing? What am I... The hell, dude? I don't know if his animation is playing, though. Okay, let's see. Let's... I like him in the corner, just looking like this. That's nice. Nice little feller. I think I like him behind the lights. I don't know. What do you think, guys? Let's put him here. I feel like this is like kind of a behind-the-scenes area. I feel like I should get like a camera or something, so it looks like there's like a whole film crew filming the ball pit, you know? Also, we gotta make this look not ugly. So sides, let's do like 32. And let's make a material. Oh. Material. And let's make it a toon material. Ba-la-da-ba-da-ba. If your team sees this, you're so fucked, bro. You know, you wanna know something funny? My team is just as brain-rotted, if not more brain-rotted than I am, dude. Like, sometimes when me and my team work overtime, the amount of, like, bullshit we just spout out when we sit there programming, drawing, designing, you know, it's an insane asylum, straight up. Roughness, put that down. Ah, that's a nice little toon shader for ya. Albedo. Let's make it a little... it's like a pipe, you know? There we go. Like a black pipe. Ooh, nice little shine on that thing. And we'll give it a rim job. Give it a little bit of a rim job. Wait, it doesn't show basically. Oh, I think it shows. Oh yeah, it shows. It's not that much. Okay, that's nice. And we'll give it a stencil. Where? What the fuck? Oh, there it is. Outline. Give it an outline. There we go. That looks kind of sick. Yeah, a little bigger. 0.3 or something. Nice. Pretty nice. Okay. I think that should look good. Let's play and see. That looks kind of weird. What the fuck? The outline does not look good at all. What the fuck? Oh my fucking god. Wait, what happens if I give an outline to Tung 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 Sahur? Wait, why the fuck am I moving so fast? And Godot crashed! Boy, with those feet, you should add a brr brr patapim with him. Is this what the stream has turned into? We just add, like, brain rot to everything? Because I'll do it. Oh, I'll do it. Don't think I won't. Make unique. Make unique. And then we can try to add stencil outline. Okay. Well, that did not work as expected. That sure as hell did not work as... Oh. 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 Okay, I like this, dude. I like this. Doesn't look good because everything else is normal, I think. It's like the fucking corners there. I don't like the corners. Fucking look at that guy in the corner, dude. I don't think I'm gonna have the outline here. No, I only have the outline on the balls. I shouldn't have an outline on anything else. I think I like that mentality. The balls have an outline, everything else don't. Not even Sahur. Not even Sahur. Add a brain rot mode setting and it just enables every stupid thing we added. I don't know why I said brain roti. Yeah. Okay, I guess should we try and find patabim type shit. Sketch fab. Let's see here, dude. Let's go. How do I even type that, dude? Brr, brr. Why are there so many brain rot models, bro? Motherfucker. Tung Tung Mario? What the hell is a Tung Tung Mario? It's just Mario. It's just, you know, if I add a Mario to my game, then Nintendo will airstrike me and blow up my whole village. My whole village is going in the air, dude. But sure, let's add a fucking Burr Burr Patapim, dude. Why not? I like this guy. He's got some fucking feet on him. Dude. He's got some dogs on him, dude. Whew. We can't even download this one. I don't think. Can you download this one? No, we can't. Feels bad, man. Let's check this out. Oh, can't download this one. This is so fucked up. That's a lot of tries, though. It's a pretty big model. Maybe, like a little big. I guess it's not that big. I guess it's fine, right? What we won't do for a little bit of brain rot in our game, huh? This model is free. The Brr Brr Patapim model. 8 megabytes. That's pretty good, actually. That's pretty damn good. Create a new folder here. Create new folder. Call it the Brr folder. And we just pull in. I think it's made by the same guy. It's got the name, same naming convention. Gotta learn how to add FBX files. Yeah, I mean that's what I'm doing right now. But okay, before next live stream, I'll learn how to add mix some animations. So we can add some fucking crazy animations to these guys. So now I just need to, yeah, I just need to drag this motherfucker in. Little Brr Brr Patapim. Oh, look at that cute little Brr Brr Patapim, huh? Cute little Brr Brr Patapim. So, and now we need to do the same thing we did earlier. Nah, fuck it, we don't need to do that. We can just make him big and then place him in the scene. Yeah, for sure. 10. Oh, God. Look at them dogs, dog! Look at them dogs! Whee! What is this game coming to? Oh, he's got a schnauzer on him, dude. Holy fuck, he's got a schnauzer. Where should we place this guy? By his friend? Make Triple T just run in place and not move at all. With mix some animation, of course. Yeah. Yeah, and with next stream I'll learn how to use mix some animations. Before next stream, so I can just do that. Tung Tung Luke. Look at my paragraph. Paragraph. Which paragraph? The one with the... the one with the big ball? Yeah, I read the big ball paragraph. No worries. Yeah, I'll... before next stream, there's a lot of things I want to learn how to do before next stream, so I can just add shit like that, you know? But, that poster thing with the logic and stuff is gonna take a lot of time. But man, look at these guys. I think this guy's gotta get bigger. It's gotta be bigger, dude. Yeah, for sure. Let's make him 14. 10. 11. 12. That's good. That's pretty damn good. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. With Mario dancing and stuff. Oh yeah. Just make him do a dance. That's what Nintendo want to. They're so cool to make Mario dance. So he will be fine. Yeah. Yeah, I can see if I can do that when I get my Mixamo skills before next stream. I love that you can only see fucking his dogs. You can't see Brr Brr Patapim's face. You can only see his dogs. I love that. Love that for him. Loke came back, but only because of Delta in Chapter 5. I actually came back because of GODOT. I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna make a video about GODOT. Like, I'm gonna continue streaming some GODOT stuff. And I'm gonna make a video about GODOT. And... yeah. And we'll take it from there. See what I'll do. I might also make a video about, like, the process of how we made Glonk, which is out now on Steam, by the way. The process of how we made this incremental game and what happened and what led to everything. Because it was a long process, you know. There was a lot of things that happened, a lot of choices we had to make. A scary time. That's why I quit YouTube also. I just focused on this all the way. And Hypersphere 2. Because then I want to make a video where I compare the two of these games. God, the music's loud. Oh god. Because there was more effort, or like more time put into this game, but it was, you know, very unsuccessful, which we figured out the reasons why. So it's very interesting to compare the reasons of why this game didn't do well, but our first game did well. So I'm gonna make a video on that too. So Godot first, Godot video first, and then maybe that. I don't know. Just take it from there, see what happens, dude. I say Godot like Godot. Why are you saying Godot Lemao? I don't know, dog. What the hell? Wait, you say Godot? Because I said Godot for such a long time, and then I like watched YouTubers and shit, and they all said Godot, and I felt like a fucking idiot, dude. So, so now I say Godot, you know? Type shit. Type shit. Can you add cappuccino? Fucking ballerina, cappuccino ballerino, cappuccina ballerina. Is that what it's called? Okay, fuck it, dude. Let's see. Purr purr patapim, purr purr patapim, purr purr. Cappuccino. No, that's cappuccino fucking in assassino. Cappuccino assassino. I'm thinking about oh my god, what's her name, dude? Ballerina fucking Clementina Cappuccina. Cappuccina! Ballerina Cappuccina. That's the one. Fuck yeah. Alright. Can we download this? Nope, we can't. Can only look. Can we download this? Oh my god, that's 500,000 triangles. I don't think I want to download that. Hello. Exit out. Okay, fuck it. Let's add Cappuccino Assassino since we can't download any of the... Oh, we can't download this either. What the hell, bro? I just want to download my brain rot. I can download this one. Should I get this one, guys? Is this good enough? He's got a fucking Naruto headband. Holy shit. Well rigged. I don't know. Is this like an AI 3D model? I don't fucking know. Rigged by me. Credits by this guy. I don't fucking know. Rig tung tung sahur. Oh, the fucking comments here, dude, are crazy. Please, can you do burrito? Holy fuck, dude. Can you do bombardino? Crocodilo? Let's download this, fuck it. GLB? Okay, let's not do it, fuck it, actually. Actually, I think we're have a little bit of a brain rot break right now. A little bit of a brain rot break. God damn. Well, we didn't do a lot of progress today, but some progress. Some progress, and I must say, it was fucking great stream too. I felt like, you know, even though we didn't do a lot of progress, it's like, it's nice like chilling and chatting with chat and just like fucking, you know, writing some code here and there, importing some brain rot at the end, and fucking, you know, have a good old time, you know. So yeah, we got the sell button, we got the automatic dispenser, we got the money, we got the cap, the balls, and oh, I wonder what it looks like if I just do the spam ball thing here now. If I just spawn like a fucking million balls a second. So if you go to game controller and set max balls to 3000, which is what my PC can handle. Is there a Norwegian AI brain rot like Peter Poteten? That would be funny as hell. Okay, let's see. Let's spam this now. Woohoo! Okay, that actually looks kind of sick though. That actually look kind of sick though. Woohoo! Now we sell everything. Do bloody devastation. It has some lyrics, but they're so comprehensible that I might do background vocals at this point. Yeah, next stream I'll do it. I'm just gonna chill a bit for now and end stream pretty soon. I just wanted to have a gander at what we made here, you know. Pretty damn sick. Why is it selling so slow? Because there's so many balls on screen, and I've added a timer in between each cell. Yeah, I'm selling them one by one. So I'm probably gonna speed up that timer somehow if you have a lot of balls or something, and make it a little slower when you have few amount of balls. Because I want it to be satisfying. Like you hit the sell button, and then you know everybody does. Fucking, and sell button will probably have a cooldown too, so you can't just spam the sell button. Not that you want to either, because you want to kind of save up balls so you can build a multiplier. But yeah, take a look at this shit, dude. When I press J now, the floodgates, the floodgates. Damn, Daniel. Nvidia app, new reward available. 007. 007. Damn, I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. I actually said 007. God damn, dude. Holy fuck. IQ diff. We should probably batch it so it sounds like 10% every loop. Yeah, probably. That sounds a lot smarter than selling one by one when you have 3,000 objects you have to delete, you know? Make a small explosion using Unity's particle system with great system for a way to use GODOT now. Yeah, but I have heard some rumors about GODOT's awesome particle system. I think, should we have a little look at it? A little look-see-poo? A little look-see-poo? Anyone have any experience using GODOT's awesome particle system? Does GODOT have an awesome particle system? Where's my cappuccino? I couldn't find a 3D model that was free. Sorry, Mac. So I just put it on the shelf for now. But next stream, we might do some crazy, insane brain rot. We will probably. Because as soon as I've streamed for over 2 hours, I feel like I go a little bit, you know, my brain kind of smoothens out. And I do a lot of stupid stuff, like listen to chat. Who screams at me to add triple T and brr patapiv type shit. But I gotta say, made the game better. We got dogs here, we got dogs there, you know? And GODOT froze because the dogs were too powerful. There we go. Dogs and dogs and dogs and dogs, dude. Holy shit. I'd set it to 5% sell rate if we go by percentage. Maybe. Maybe that'll be better. I don't know. Non lo so. Hey, where are you guys from, actually? Any Italians in chat? Any Italians? That would be funny. Italians for some Italian brain rot. 2 hours, almost 3. Yeah, actually, no. Yes. Yeah, I was gonna start stream at 3 o'clock, but I had those crazy fucking technical problems. Man, that was a fucking headache, dude. You know, I did what I did every time 10 months ago, and I pressed start stream, and it said, uh-oh, you can't do that. Lol, sorry. And I was like, what the fuck? Is there no error code, anything? And I was like, nope. Too bad. Sucks to be you. So, that was pretty fucking crazy. But I figured out a solution, though. So, it worked, and it'll probably, hopefully, work for the next time as well. Straight to the toes of patapim. Alright. But I think that I might just conclude the stream here for now. You know, a little bit of a short stream, but Norwegian. Yeah. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Yeah. So I will probably, yeah, I'll be streaming again on Sunday. On Sunday. 10:59 for me, damn. Wait, AM. Wait, in the morning? 10:59 in the morning? That's fucking crazy, dude. It's 6 o'clock in the afternoon here. In good old Norway. Sell all the balls. Oof, getting that fat multiplier. But actually, that's a great system to get just like more money. I gotta remove that 0 though. That's fucking ugly as hell. But yeah, next stream probably Sunday, if not Monday. But I'll post updates in the Discord. So make sure to join that fucking. Make sure to join that Discord, dog. You know what I'm saying? Can I do this in chat? Discord. Does that work? It works. Nice. Yeah. Click the Discord link and join the Discord and type shit, and you can have some fun there. Send some brain rot, and yeah. Ball pit game is gonna come along nicely. I'm gonna make a Godot video with the ball pit game. I might remove the Tung 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 Sahur and Patapim from the full release, but might just be like a little Easter egg too. Who knows? Sending gonna be nice. Fuck yeah. Cappuccino. Oh yes, cappuccino. Va bene. But all right. Thanks for tuning in, guys. And I'll see you on the Discord and next stream. Cheerio. Bye bye. Bye bye, guys. Bye bye.